Hi, I'm Dawn, and this is where Shabby meets Bling. I recently made a turkey out of an apple for a garnish for Christmas, and I thought, hey, why not try something with a pear? So today I am going to take a pear and make it into a pear tree. A little Christmas pear tree. No partridge, just a pear tree. So let's give it a whirl and see what happens. First time, just like the turkey, first time I've tried this. So I'm going to take my pear and I'm going to use basically the same technique. I'm going to create with my knife little slivers all over the pear and just gently pull out the wedges. The more wedges, the better. It'll look like there's more branches. Make sure you lemon juice so that your pear does not turn brown. And just cover the whole pear. There you go. It's pretty simple. And I think it's a cute look. Now I'm gonna get ready to mount him onto the platter. I'm just using store-bought frosting. You can make your own, of course. And if you're doing this for a dinner party, let your frosting set a bit before you put your tree in there so it sets up a little harder. I'm using cinnamon sticks for his trunk. I used 4 in total. I used my knife to separate them a little bit. That way they were a little more sturdy. And it didn't take long for the frosting to hold them. Now it's time to make a star for the top of the tree. My first attempt did not go very well. So this is attempt number 2. I always like to share my failures along with my triumphs. I think your best bet is if you have one of the little metal star cookie cutters. It'll give you a nice clean cut and a uniform shape. I, however, did not have one handy, so I am winging it. And do this freehand. Didn't come out too bad, I don't think. A couple more cuts and you'll see this fabulous, fabulous star I made. Oh. Here we go. There it is. A little tree topper. I'm going to use a toothpick to set it in the top of the tree. Toothpicks are great when you're making these little fruit sculptures because it will hold things in place and any decorations that you want to add. Get that star in. And then I'm going to add some cookies and some decor to my platter. Get ready for Santa. There's his milk. He's got a couple different kinds of cookies and some caramel corn to get him through the night. But there's my little pear tree. Frosting looks a little like snow. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share it with your friends and family. Go ahead and subscribe and click the bell so you get reminders of all our videos. This is Dawn with Shabby Meets Bling. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.